Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves an isolated footing design using working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design an isolated rectangular footing using working stress method for a 16 inches by 16 inches square column carrying an axial load of 200 kips. Design criteria as follows: strength of concrete 4000 psi, long direction bars 3/4 inch diameter bar grade 60, short direction bars 5/8 inch diameter bar grade 60, soil bearing capacity 4000 psf, approximate dimension ratio of 1:2. The footing carries an axial load of 200 kips. Assume a self-weight of 12.02 kips for a total load of 212.02 kips. Enumerate input parameters required. Footing name F12, rectangular shaped, depth from natural grade line 5 feet, long direction bars 3/4 inch diameter at grade 60, short direction bars 5/8 inch diameter at grade 60, strength of concrete 4000 psi, soil bearing capacity 4000 psf, a 16 inches by 16 inches column on top of footing with total load of 212.02 kips. Given Fc prime equals 4000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, the balance section properties are as follows: N equals 8.044, K equals 0.376, J equals 0.875. Given P equals 212.02 kips and Q equals 4 ksf, the width of footing is 62 inches and the length of footing is 124 inches. Net upward soil pressure is 3,747 psf. Critical sections for punching shear, beam shear, moment and bond shear. Following the given computations, the effective depth is 15 inches and total depth is 18 inches. Given footing width of 62 inches, footing length of 124 inches, 16 inches side of column, and net soil pressure of 3,747 psf, the moment at long direction is 2,352,179.25 inch-pounds. The area of steel is 7.47 square inches. The number of bar for 3/4 inch diameter is 17. The moment at short direction is 853,431.29 inch-pounds. The area of steel is 2.71 square inches. Use ACI minimum of 6.2 square inches. The area of steel at center strip is 4.13 square inches. The number of bars for 5/8 inch diameter is 14. The area of steel at outer strip is 1.04 square inches. The number of bars for 5/8 inch diameter is 4 on each side. The beam shear force at long direction is 62,918.38 pounds, and shear stress is 67.65 psi, less than 69.57 psi. The beam shear force at short direction is 25,812.67 pounds, and shear stress is 13.88 psi, less than 69.57 psi. The punching shear force is 175,042.15 pounds, and shear stress is 94.11 psi, less than 126.49 psi. The bond force at long direction is 87,117.75 pounds. Total bar circumference is 40.12, and bond stress is 165.44 psi, less than 404.77 psi. The bond force at short direction is 74,211.42 pounds. Total bar circumference is 43.12, and bond stress is 131.13 psi, less than 485.73 psi. Design results are as follows: Fc prime equals 4000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, footing size is 5 feet 2 inches by 10 feet 4 inches by 18 inches. Long direction bars of grade 60, 17 pieces 3/4 inch diameter bar at 3.5 inches on center. Short direction bars of grade 60, center strip bars 14 pieces 5/8 inch diameter bar at 4 and 7/8 inches on center. Outer strip bars 4 pieces 5/8 inch diameter bar at 7 inches on center each side. Depth of footing from natural grade line 5 feet. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.